and we are closing up on Path of Valor now. Oh man, I was streaming Path of Valor, but like my entire computer, my computer, my phone actually died like midway through the stream. If you actually check the stream, you'll see like the Samsung powering down screen towards the end, which I'm not even gonna lie, I thought it was kind of funny that they actually kept that in there. But yeah, I mean we're closing up on here, and then after that we will be doing the Path of Valor ticket. Oh right, we can't use our NAD here. Interesting. All right, I mean that was easy. And then this boss, oh Koga, damn dude, yo, I ain't going front. That Koga is so sick. And then last but not least, is it is it Tech Aizen? I never remember who the main person is. Oh, Kenny? Oh, really? Oh, how to clap cheeks 101. Okay. Yeah, Kenny make like honestly any character with like flurry, appropriate killer, and then a walking vortex literally makes these literal cakewalk. Actually took quite a bit of damage on that one. I'm gonna have to play it more safe. I made the mistake of I think you were gonna kill relatively quickly. And just grant the weakening, and then with debilitator, just pretty much just pin him down and then finish it off. Oh, I love that Kenpachi, man. He's so good. All right, and let's just get right into this ticket. Now, I was going to do regular Senkaimon and then just do both tickets, like the 6-star ticket and then this ticket, but I honestly feel like I'm gonna start working on my Senkaizens and trying to get dupes on Senkaizens and Zangetsus at this point. All right, so without further ado, chance for a dupe is I think it's like 25% chance of getting something new at this point. Actually, maybe less. Uh, really? I don't know how useful this dupe is. So it. All right, you know what? I'll take it. And we are going to attempt to re-roll this as well. That is the fifth dupe. Okay, that's wild. Hopefully we can get something good in the first couple rolls. I'm gonna roll this at least like until we get either attack or stamina. Yes, there you go. Okay. Oh whoa, almost went again. All right. I went to like keep the second roll. It's very rare that you get the good roll on the first try. That is actually quite amazing. So yeah, I guess that's pretty much it. Like I said, I'm gonna be going for Zangetsu and Senkaizen dupes for the regular Senkaimon. So I figure, you know what, there's really no point unless I'm just doing like Brave Soul tickets. But I kind of already used a lot of my Brave Soul tickets, so it would only be like like it will be one multi anyways. So, yeah, I'm not really sure which Sengetsu I would get, and I'm not really sure which Senkaizen I would get. I'd probably get something for. I'd honestly be considering more towards Heart because of my Mugetsu and Tokinata. So that's probably what I'm gonna be going for. Not like I said, not sure yet, but I'm gonna leave it at that. You'll know this guy's grind. I'll catch you up here. Stay blessed. Hope you enjoyed this video. Got to flex my Byakuya a little bit. Probably one of my favorite characters to play, honestly. Him along with Koga. I was thinking about doing like a top 10 my favorite characters list. I don't know how many people would actually be interested in that, but I feel like that could be a fun list to make, especially considering that would be like completely opinion based, and maybe some people would be interested in that. I prefer more the strong attack recharge builds, more fun to play builds, and yeah, I guess I'll leave it at that. Stay blessed, y'all. Like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.